Question number 1.
Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. Neither the teacher nor the students was late. B. Neither the teacher nor the students were late. C. Neither the teacher nor the students be late.
Question number 2.
Choose the correctly punctuated sentence. A. It's a beautiful day, let's go outside. B. It's a beautiful day, let's go outside. C. It's a beautiful day, let's go outside.
Question number 3.
Identify the correct form of the verb. If he dash earlier, he would have caught the train. A. Left. B. Had left. C. Was leaving.
Question number 4.
Choose the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement. A. The data was convincing. B. The data were convincing. C. The datas was convincing.
Question number 5.
Identify the correct sentence. A. Each of the players have a coach. B. Each of the players has a coach. C. Each player have a coach.
Question number 6.
Pick the correct conditional. If I dash you, I would apologize. A. Am. B. Was. C. Were.
Question number 7.
Which word is closest in meaning to ephemeral? A. Eternal. B. Temporary. C. Loud.
Question number 8.
Choose the correct idiom. To spill the beans means A. Make a mess. B. Reveal a secret. C. Waste time.
Question number 9.
Identify the correct sentence. A. I lay down every night at 10. B. I lie down every night at 10. C. I lay down every night at 10.
Question number 10.
Pick the correct sentence. A. She has less friends than before. B. She has fewer friends than before. C. She have less friends than before.
Question number 11.
Choose the correct phrase. Hardly had he arrived dash it started raining. A. When. B. Then. C. That.
Question number 12.
Identify the noun phrase. A. Dancing in the moonlight. B. Ran quickly. C. Extremely tired.
Question number 13.
Which is the correct sentence? A. Who do you think she is? B. Whom do you think she is? C. Who do you think is she?
Question number 14.
Choose the correct article usage. He's dash honest man. A. B. An. C. The.
Question number 15.
Identify the correct passive voice. They built a bridge. A bridge is built. B, a bridge was being built. C, a bridge was built.
Question number 16.
Choose the correct form. He speaks English than I do. A, more fluently. B, fluent. C, most fluently.
Question number 17.
What does once in a blue moon mean? A, very rarely. B, very often. C, never.
Question number 18.
Pick the grammatically correct sentence. A, it's time we leave. B, it's time we left. C, it's time to we leave.
Question number 19.
Which sentence is correct? A, I would rather you go now. B, I would rather you went now. C, I rather you go now.
Question number 20.
Identify the adjective clause. A, he runs fast. B, the girl who sings is my cousin. C, singing beautifully.
Question number 21.
Identify the correct tense. By next week, I dash the project. A, will have finished. B, finish. C, finished.
Question number 22.
Choose the correct pronoun. Between you and dash, this is a secret. A, me. B, I see, myself.
Question number 23.
Pick the correct preposition. She is good dash mathematics. A, on. B, in. C, at.
Question number 24.
Choose the right word. The results will be announced dash Monday. A, in. B, at. C, on.
Question number 25.
Identify the gerund. A, swimming is fun. B, swim is fun. C, to swim is fun.
Question number 26.
Which sentence is correct? A, she married with a rich man. B, she married a rich man. C, she has married with a rich man.
Question number 27.
Pick the correct usage. A, he said me the truth. B, he told me the truth. C, he tell me the truth.
Question number 28.
Choose the correct spelling. A, occurrence. B, occurrence. C, occurrence.
Question number 29.
Choose the right expression. She was beside herself with dash. A, joy. B, herself. C, fearfully.
Question number 30.
What is the antonym of benevolent? A. Kind. B. Cruel. C. Generous.
Question number 31.
Choose the correct comparison. This is the dash of the two options. A. Better. B. Best. C. More. Better.
Question number 32.
Select the grammatically correct sentence. A. He said that he is tired. B. He said that he was tired. C. He said he is being tired.
Question number 33.
Choose the sentence with correct punctuation. A. Wait, don't go. B. Wait, don't go. C. Wait, don't go.
Question number 34.
Identify the infinitive phrase. A. To win the race is his goal. B. Winning the race is his goal. C. He wins the race.
Question number 35.
Which sentence uses the subjunctive mood? A. I wish I was taller. B. I wish I were taller. C. I wish I am taller.
Question number 36.
Pick the correct form. He is looking forward to dash you. A. Meet. B. Meeting. C. Met.
Question number 37.
Which one is an abstract noun? A. Chair. B. Anger. C. Door.
Question number 38.
Choose the correct sentence. A. It was him who did it. B. It was he who did it. C. It was he him who did it.
Question number 39.
Which sentence is in future perfect tense? A. I will complete the task. B. I will have completed the task. C. I will be completing the task.
Question number 40.
Identify the auxiliary verb. He has eaten lunch. A. Has. B. Eaten. C. Lunch.
Question number 41.
Which sentence is correct? A. She is senior than me. B. She is more senior than me. C. She is senior to me.
Question number 42.
Identify the correct usage. I insist that he dash present. A. Is. B. B. C. Was.
Question number 43.
Choose the correct tag question. You are coming, dash. A. Isn't you. B. Aren't you. C. Are you.
Question number 44.
Pick the correct sentence. A. Neither of the boys have done it. B. Neither of the boys has done it. C. Neither boys has done it.
Question number 45.
Identify the prepositional phrase, A, over the rainbow, B, jump quickly, C, fast and steady.
Question number 46.
Which sentence is correct? A, she went to abroad. B, she went abroad. C, she goes to abroad.
Question number 47.
Choose the correct expression, I am used dash waking up early. A, to be, for C, with.
Question number 48.
Which is a collective noun? A, team, B, worker, C, children.
Question number 49.
Pick the correct use of articles, he is dash honest and hard-working man. A, the, B, an.
Question number 50.
Which is the correct sentence? A, I look forward to hear from you. B, I look forward to hearing from you. C, I look forward to heard from you.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.